The intelligence level of a person is known by the degree obtained in the intelligence test, which is a set of tests prepared by specialists to measure and know the extent of human intelligence in any person. And here in this video is a group of the smartest human minds ever. Bobby Fischer. Only 1 in 3,500,000 people has the same amount of intelligence. He is the most famous chess player ever. During the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union organized a chess match between Spassky as the best Soviet chess player and Bobby Fischer. It was not just a simple match, but rather a battle to see which one had the upper hand. Bobby won, and his intelligence is said to be about 180 degrees. Galilei. Only 1 out of every 18,000 people possesses the same amount of Galileo's intelligence. The age at which he started walking, speaking, counting, reading and other different skills was resorted to in order to estimate IQ. And he is known as the founder of modern astronomy. He made the telescope and was able to zoom in the view by the equivalent of 30 times, which enabled him to observe the celestial bodies closely, and has many discoveries, including the discovery that the Earth revolves around the Sun, and this is what caused his killed by the extremist religious trend, and his intelligence is estimated at 185 degrees. Garry Kasparov. One of the best chess players of all time, Garry was ranked first in the world for more than 18 years, and scientists invented an automatic chess player, who was able to evaluate about 200 million positions per second, and yet Garry is still able to defeat him several times. He was the youngest person to ever win a world championship at the age of 22, in 1985. His intelligence is estimated at 187 degrees. Isaac Newton. Only 1 out of 107 million people owns his intelligence. He is one of the most distinguished scientists ever. His 3 laws of gravitation are still used in our daily lives, even though he discovered these laws more than 200 years ago. While everyone realized that bodies were attracted to Earth, Newton emphasized that all things attracted to each other, but in different proportions. Newton proved that all planets are suspended due to the Sun's gravity, and his intelligence is estimated at 190 degrees. Albert Einstein. Only 1 in 700,000 people owns his intelligence. Einstein is the most famous scientist, and he is famous for discovering the theory of relativity. Because he is a Jew, Einstein had to flee from Germany after the Nazis came to power. Then Germany was on its way to make a nuclear weapon. Later, Einstein sent a message to the American president proposing make a weapon nuclear. But he regretted his work in making this type of weapon. Einstein's intelligence was evident to everyone around him, and his intelligence ratio is about 190 degrees. Leonardo da Vinci. His intelligence is estimated at 220 degrees. He is more than just a genius painter. Da Vinci has developed in many fields, such as engineering, chemistry, geology, mathematics and other fields, and his ideas predate his era. He is the owner of the first design of the parachute, plane, tank, and other things. Terence Tao. He is now the owner of the largest intelligence in the world, which is estimated at 230 degrees. Terence has an abnormal ability to solve arithmetic problems, from the softness of his nails, until he joined at advanced university levels, in mathematics, and he did not exceed 9 years. He also received the medal gold in mathematics at the age of 12. In addition to that, he worked as a university professor in the field of mathematics at the age of 24 years. It is the highest academic degree did not reach to any researcher at his age. Nikola Tesla. He is called the myth. His intelligence is estimated at 235 degrees, and there is a saying that we don't know how true. It says that Einstein was once asked, "How do you feel when people say that you are the smartest person?" He replied, "I don't know, you must ask Tesla." Some of Tesla's ideas are still a confusing puzzle for many people. He is the owner of the alternating current idea, which is much cheaper than direct current, and he is credited with X-rays entered the field of medicine, and he invented wireless electrical conductivity, and other amazing things. William James, it is. When William was a young child, it could be said that he was a miracle, walking over the earth. William attended Harvard University at the age of 11, and was fluent in speaking 25 languages. William had an abnormal ability to solve math problems at the age of 8, and he lectured at Harvard University. All of this heralds a brilliant scientist, and his intelligence is estimated at about 275 degrees. Gauss. Finally, the smartest person ever. Cal is considered one of the most skilled mathematicians of all time. Suffice he solved a mathematical problem which all mathematicians have been unable to solve for 2,000 years in just a few months. And his intelligence ranges between 250 and 300 degrees. Thank you for watching, and we have an appointment for a new video soon. Do not forget to press the like button if you like the video, and the subscribe button with the bell activated to receive all new